Hi guys. I just want to take a look at number 8 on slide number 11 quickly. Just want to go through it because a couple people are having problems with it. So when we go here, when we look at this guy here, we have two numbers that we're gonna have to change both of these into have a to make it have the same base. Because if, for example, you wrote here, I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Sorry, guys. If you were to write it as 8 to the x plus 2 is equal to, for example, this is something that I saw, 6 to the 2 times x plus 1. That is not correct because that's just 8 up 2, sorry. Because 8 squared is equal to 64. And that's not the original number we had here. We had a 16. So we need to not do this. And we need to say to ourselves, we need to create both of these bases here in a perfect square that have a common base, right? So we have to think to ourselves, what number, when we keep doing these to the power, to the third power, to the fourth power, to the fifth power, is going to give us an 8 and a 16? Oh, geez. And we think to ourselves, these guys are really, really close together. So I'm thinking that we're going to have to convert both of these to a base of 2. So we're going to have to convert this first one to a base of 2, convert the second one into a base of 2, right? So we have to say to ourselves, 2 up what number? 2 to the what power is going to get me 8? 2, 4, 8. How many is that? 3. So it's going to be 2 to the third times x plus 2. Okay. And then we have to say to ourselves, for the other side of this equation, 2 to the what power gets me 16? 2, 4, 8, 16 to the fourth power. So we're going to say 2 to the fourth power times that by what's in this parentheses here, x plus 1. Okay, so then we come down here and we simplify. So we're going to, since we have the same base, we can get rid of it. And we're going to say to ourselves, 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 4 times x plus 1. Okay, then we distribute, we get 3x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 4. Okay, then we say to ourselves, I have to find my smaller x, so I'm going to have to move over this minus 3x and minus 3x. Bring that over a little bit. We're left with 6 is equal to x plus 4. And then we're going to have to minus 4 minus 4. I'm going to bring it up over here. We're going to be left with 2 is equal to x. Okay, so when you have these two guys here, you can't just say, oh, 2 times 8 gets me 16. That 2 would be here. It'd be 2 times 8. You want to find a perfect square for both of these guys and rewrite it with a common base of 2. Okay, there we go, guys.